So now we're ready to create the exterior walls. And for the exterior walls, we have the following uh, detail. So we have a wall here where we have the metal stud at center is 48 millimeters away. We have a gypsum board of 13 millimeters. And then we have here an insulation of 50 millimeters, and then an air gap of 25 millimeters, and then the brick at 92 millimeters. So we're going to create a multi-line to create this in the floor plan as a single entity. To do that, we start our multi-line style. So ML is the shortcut key, and then you select ML style. Now here we create a new one, and we'll call this exterior wall. Okay, continue. Now, the new multi-line style has different options. So you have here the caps, line, start, end. So we can have caps there. Outer arc if you want it arced instead of a line, or inner arc. Now for this one, we'll just leave it open. Now these are the elements. So the first one is the negative 0.5. So we can select that and change that to negative 61. Now we say negative 61 because if you look at the grid line, which is this is where the wall will be aligned to, it is 48 and 13 millimeters away. So that's negative 61. So it's cumulative. So negative 61, and then we'll say by layer. It will pick up the wall or layer color, which is yellow for walls. Okay, and then the next one will be negative 48. Negative 48 for this line right here. Now the center line or grid line, we will not draw anymore. So we'll not provide the line here because we already have the grid, long dash, short dash line. So we'll go positive 48. So from here, we'll add, and then we'll say 48. Now this one should be green in color. Likewise, this one should be green in color, green or gray, okay? And then the next one will be uh, positive 98. So we got 98 by adding 48 and 50, okay? So positive 98, color is green as well. And then we add another, the distance is 1, 2, 3, color is green. Now we got that by adding 98 plus 25, okay? And then lastly, we have the bricks, and it is 215 away, okay? Now that one will have the color by layer, which is yellow. Okay, so once you have done that, you click OK, and there's a preview of our multi-line. Click OK. And then if I, or you go to the wall layer, and we start by going through the second grid around. Okay, now here we're only going, how far is this? Oops, 1, 6, 7, 8 away. Okay, So let's zoom that in 1678. And then we go up, and then we go to the grid again. So having done that, we're going to start the ML line. Okay, ML is the shortcut key, and then you select M line. Okay, layer wall is current. Sorry. So we start here. Now, here you want to, sorry, you want to go to ML line, and you want to select the style. So if you don't know the style name, click the asterisk, and there it is, exterior wall. So you type exterior underscore wall. So that's the style we're going to be using. Next, you want the scale set at 1, and likewise the justification set at 0, which is the grid line. So you can have justification from the top or from the bottom. So 0. Okay, now we're ready. So we start here. Okay, so notice that our grid is at the center of the metal stud, which is the structural membrane. So we go from there. Make sure you zoom in. Okay, and then we go to the end. And then from here, I think we go back to grid number 2. Go up, zoom in, and then here we only do 1678. So point your line to the left and then type 1678. 1678. Enter. Then we go up, and then we go up to the left, up, and then here we go to the grid, and then we go say close. C to close. That's how you add your exterior wall.